Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a classroom where we share, learn. Yes, everyone is welcome. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more lessons. In this classroom, we're going to be discussing any topic related to data analysis, data entry, different softwares, how we can use them to make our work easy. Yes, anything related to research. Yeah, as today's lesson is going to be about Excel. And Excel is a spreadsheet or a Microsoft Word that helps us to deal with data in any form. It helps us to make budget. It helps us to create registers maybe for our employees. It basically makes work easy, especially if the work is in numbers. Excel has very many functions. It can draw for your pie chart, a graph. It can do anything you would want to do that deals with numbers. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about how to do multiplication and sum or total sum in Excel sheet. Before I go there, I want to first make sure that you're familiar with the display of Excel. As you can see, this is sheet 1. This is sheet 1, but this where I write, this is called a workbook. Then this is sheet 1. If you want to add a sheet, you can click here. You say, right click here. You see this, it has taken me to another sheet. If you want to delete it, you can right click on it and delete. Yes, that's it. That's how you can create a new sheet. We usually use new sheets in case we don't want to have our work congested on one sheet. So what you do, you create another sheet, and that's where you share your work. So we shall even Excel helps you to summarize your work. It has something called pivot tables. We shall also look about that. Yes. Then this this is file. This is where you can save your file. You go to save as. You can save it anywhere you want. As you can see, this is where you save your work. Yes. So when you're done with that, you can see there is insert, layout, anything you would want to do with Excel. So without me wasting time, you can grab your cup of tea and you start. Yes, as you can see, I have data. This is my data for some budget. It's a budget for some project. So here you have quantity, allowance, duration, and total labor price. So for us to know the total labor price here, we have to multiply the quantity by allowance and by the duration in days for us to get the total price here. So we shall start with the formula. In Excel, any formula you're going to start or to do, any formula starts with an equal sign. Then brackets. Then you highlight the first cell. This is called a cell. As you can see, it is B3. This is how it is labeled. This is a cell. They get the column here, then they get the number here, which is 3, and call it B3, and it's called cell B3. Then in Excel, a multiplication sign is labeled by a star, or call it asterisk. Yeah, that one. Again, highlight the next, put the star, highlight the next, close your brackets, press anywhere, press enter and press anywhere. Yes, that's our total. You do the same here. Don't forget that every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign. Equal sign, brackets, you highlight the first, put the star, highlight the second cell, put the star, highlight the third, close the brackets, press enter and press anywhere. Yes, that's a total. Now, if we want to get the total price of how much labor will cost, the total price for all these things, you don't have to do this manually because Excel makes the work very easy for you. And there are very many different ways you can do this. First, you can just insert the formula, say equals sum, brackets, you highlight here, then you highlight through it and close the brackets and press anywhere, and that's your total. Yes, it's just simple as that. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section. I'll be attending to them. Yes. Or if you want, let me first remove this total. You go here, you press the cursor where you want to get the total. As you see, it's already here. Press auto sum, press anywhere else. Sorry, you press here. You press auto sum. And press anywhere else. Yes, and that's our total. Those are the two ways that you can do a total in Excel. Yes. Yes, let's go to expenses. The same we shall do. Make our equal sign, put brackets, highlight one, put our stellic, the next cell, stellic, or a star, and close the brackets. Remember, every formula has to have brackets and equal sign. Excel does not recognize a formula without an equal sign, a formula without brackets. Excel does not recognize those formulas. So you press anywhere. There you go. You have your answer. As simple as that. So let's find out the total cost of expenses. Yes. Of travel. Yes. Shall say equals, put brackets, sorry, put sum, put brackets, put your cursor here, and you highlight through up there where you want to get the total. Cross the brackets, press anywhere, and that's your total. Go to the next. Yes, this one just need the total because here we don't have duration in days, and it automatically shows that the value here is the value you put here. So we shall just get the total here, put equal signs, bracket, sum, brackets, put the cursor here, highlight through, close the brackets, press the cursor anywhere and press enter. Yes, that's our total. We go on to do research materials, we do its total, do the same as up. You can try out this, you can use any example, you can try out as many you can. But what you have to note is any formula in Excel starts with an equal sign with brackets. cosine sum. Actually, these formulas are already put most of the thing. You see, whenever I type sum, it already automatically comes here because Excel has tried to make the work easy for us. So you put brackets, put the cursor, and press through and cross, press the cursor anywhere. And that's our total. Go to the next, put equal signs, bracket, sum, brackets, press the cursor and run through. You have to press the cursor here and you make sure it appears the way you see it there as an arrow. Then that's when you can highlight it. Yes. And close brackets and press anywhere. Yes. So you're done with that. Now we have to get subtotal expenses. As you saw on this budget, if I can scroll up, it has to, first is labor and then expenses. Expenses includes travel, research equipment, research materials, publications, and dissemination. So we shall first get the subtotal expenses minus labor. So we shall still do the same. Do equal signs, sum, brackets. You start, you highlight the one you want. Here, you move up. First, yes. You highlight the next. So we put here, press, sorry.